Do you wish you could get back the full head of hair from your youth? Now, with the help of science and technology, it's possible with HairClub's BioGraft solution. BioGraft is a combination of an advanced surgical hair restoration technique blended together with a modern non-surgical hair replacement solution. BioGraft is a novel hair loss solution that seamlessly blends HairClub's Xtrands Plus hair replacement solution with surgical hair restoration to give you a full head of hair.
BioGraft is the newest and most innovative solution for hair loss. It combines the benefits of HairClub's Xtrands Plus hair replacement solution with today's most advanced surgical hairline techniques. This combination creates a full head of hair with a natural growing hairline, giving you a head of hair you will love.
The Xtrands Plus solution is designed to give you the full head of hair you're looking for by blending new hair with your existing hair using a medical-grade adhesive. Xtrands Plus matches new hair to the color, texture, curl pattern, and density of your natural hair or your desired look. HairClub uses a proprietary strand-by-strand process to integrate your desired hair into an ultra-thin, nearly invisible material that breathes like skin. Our professional styling team then completes your look with a cut and style that creates an undetectable blend into your own naturally growing hair.
Xtrands Plus is a hair replacement system that is designed to give you a full head of hair that you are looking for. It allows anyone the ability to transform their appearance and get back the hair they love.
This gives you an instant gratification. This gives you that instant look, that instant hairstyle, so you can walk out of the doors and feel completely confident about yourself.
The Xtrands Plus solution is complemented by the restoration of your natural hairline through a minimally invasive surgical procedure where donor hair from areas of the scalp that are genetically resistant to shedding is transplanted to reestablish a hairline.
Surgical hair restoration is a process where a licensed physician will excise or remove your own hair follicles from the back of the head and transplant those follicles into the bald or thinning areas of the scalp. A surgical hairline restoration will look completely natural as the very finest caliber donor hairs are selected to replicate the appearance of the original hairline. Those follicles are then transplanted in a very precise and artistic manner, ensuring that the hairs when they grow will be at the correct angle, direction, and orientation, giving completely natural looking results.
With our BioGraft solution, what that does is that allows me to take a surgical solution and give me my own natural hairline back, and then just blending back in the Xtrands Plus solution for the full density and the full head of hair that I've always wanted.
BioGraft is the only solution that marries the benefits of state-of-the-art hair replacement with the latest surgical hair restoration techniques to give you a full, natural-looking head of hair you'll love.
I believe a good candidate for BioGraft is anyone with hair loss that has an adequate donor hair supply for the surgical restoration component and whose goal is to achieve a full-looking head of hair with a natural growing hairline.
I'm ecstatic. I truly have exactly what I wanted. I truly have the desired hairstyle that I had been longing for. And I'm very thankful that I was able to go through this transition and make my hair exactly what I've wanted it to be. I wanted the look. And then most importantly, the feeling, just the feeling of waking up, you've got a style that you can create. That's a feeling that, I would love to have. And, with the BioGraft solution, I get to experience that.